Using Apple Pay on United Airlines is a convenient and secure way to make purchases during your flight. To get started, make sure your Apple device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have a valid credit or debit card added to your wallet app. First, open the wallet app on your Apple device and add a credit or debit card if you haven't already. You can do this by tapping the plus sign in the top right corner and following the prompts to add your card information. Once your card is added, you can use it to make purchases with Apple Pay. When you're on board a United Airlines flight, you can use Apple Pay to make purchases from the in-flight menu. To do this, open the United app on your device and select the Buy on Board option. Choose the items you'd like to purchase and proceed to checkout. When prompted to select a payment method, choose Apple Pay. You'll be asked to authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, depending on your device. Once you've authenticated, the transaction will be processed and you'll receive a confirmation. It's a good idea to make sure your Apple device is in close proximity to the payment terminal to ensure a smooth transaction. You can also use Apple Pay to make purchases on the United Airlines website or through the mobile app when booking your flight or checking in online. Using Apple Pay on United Airlines is a secure way to make purchases, as your actual card number is not stored on your device or shared with the merchant. Instead, a unique device account number is used to process the transaction, adding an extra layer of security to your purchase. By following these steps, you can easily use Apple Pay on United Airlines to make purchases during your flight. The process is quick, easy, and secure, making it a great option for travelers who want to simplify their in-flight shopping experience.